Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Flip5 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Advanced Features. Following that, click on One-Handed Mode and tap on this gray switcher at the top in order to activate it. Now just tap on one of those options, gesture or button, to decide how do you wish to reduce display size. I will go with buttons. I have to tap on it and follow all of those instructions below it. Double tap the home button. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. You can always resize your screen by holding one of its corners. And dragging it. When you find the perfect size, let go. You can also move it around thanks to this line at the top and this icon on one of its sides. Lastly, to exit one-handed mode, tap on this blurred area. To disable it completely, go into the same settings and tap on No Blue switcher at the top. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!